What's up, foodies? Today we are making an amazing holiday meal with my spatchcocked Christmas turkey recipe. This simple yet flavorful recipe takes your turkey to the next level, paired with a tasty pan gravy. Not only does the spatchcocking make the cooking process more efficient, it makes it faster and more evenly cooked, but also enhances the tenderness and juiciness of the meat. With a straightforward step-by-step guide, you will see how a whole turkey can turn into a delicious masterpiece, seasoned with fresh herbs and a zing of lemon. Just a heads up, this video is sponsored by Comunity Natural Foods. I am doing a series of cooking videos with Comunity Natural Foods, which is a 45-year-old Alberta company that is dedicated to the cleanest, best tasting fresh products. Many of their products come from farm direct relationships and they're organic. Who doesn't love organic? And you can really taste the difference. Today, Comunity Natural Foods have provided me with an amazing organic turkey from Winter's Farms. Winter's family has raised turkeys on their Alberta farm for 4 generations. The birds are humanely raised with total consideration for their comfort and well-being. So let's spatchcock our turkey and let's get into it. First, we need to start by making our compound butter. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter with chopped rosemary, thyme, minced garlic, and lemon zest. Give it a good mix until it's well combined. You want to make sure you use softened butter here. If you use butter right out of the fridge, it's going to be really hard to mix it together. And there you go, just like this. Choose a turkey that fits comfortably into your oven and meets the serving requirements for most home ovens. About a 12 to 14 pound turkey is a good choice. Spatchcock the turkey by laying the turkey on a clean, stable surface, breast side down. Spatchcocking or butterflying the turkey ensures even cooking and crispy skin all over. Using kitchen shears or a sharp knife, carefully cut along the side of the backbone. You want to be very careful doing this as it can slip and cut your finger, and I want no one losing their fingers. Now turn the turkey around and cut along the other side of the backbone. Remove the backbone and set it aside for making stock or gravy. You can throw it in a Ziploc bag, throw it in the freezer, or you can add it to the pan so we can use it while we make the gravy. Open the turkey like a book and flip it over, and then press firmly down to flatten it. You're going to hear a crack. Now that our turkey is spatchcocked and ready to go, let's prepare our roasting sheet. Elevate the turkey's flavor profile by roasting it on top of a bed of onions, carrots, celery, and lemon. These vegetables caramelize and infuse the drippings with a rich taste. Arrange the onion halves, garlic bulbs, carrot chunks, celery in the bottom of your roasting pan. You can also add some fresh rosemary and thyme sprigs for extra flavor. Now place the spatchcocked turkey breast side up over the vegetables in the pan. Now gently lift the skin over the turkey breast and rub half of the compound butter underneath the skin. Spread the remaining butter all over the outside skin. Now you want to tuck the wingtips under the breast so they don't burn. Now generously season the turkey with some salt and pepper. Place the turkey into a preheated oven set to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Doing this is going to help give us a nice golden skin. After 20 minutes, turn down the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh. If your skin begins to brown too quickly, you can cover it with some tinfoil. Remove the turkey from the oven and let it rest for 45 minutes before carving. It is very important that you do this step. Not doing this is going to result in a very dry turkey. Allowing the turkey to rest for 45 minutes allows the juices to be redistributed, ensuring a moist and flavorful turkey. Now that our turkey is done and resting for 45 minutes, we need to make our pan gravy. Pan drippings are essential for a flavorful gravy. First, place the roasting pan with the vegetables and pan drippings on a stovetop burner and bring the drippings to a boil. I have an induction unit, so my pan doesn't work on top of it. It's made of aluminum, so I need to remove my vegetables and put them into a pan that will work on my burner. Once our drippings come up to a boil, sprinkle in the flour and stir. Cooking for about 2 minutes to remove any flour taste. It's essentially cooking the flour and we're making a roux. Now, pour in 4 cups of chicken stock and add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire, W sauce. Now cook it until the gravy reaches the desired thickness. Once the gravy is ready, strain out the vegetables by pouring the mixture through a colander into another pot. Then skim off any excess fat from the top. An easy way to do this is place the pot on half of a burner and turn it on high, and the bubbling on one side is going to force all the fat to move over to the other side so you can easily remove it. Now, stir in the cream and cook for an additional 3 minutes. Season the gravy with some salt and pepper according to your taste, then keep it warm on the stovetop until you're ready to serve. Start by removing the legs and wings, then proceed to slice the breast meat for even attractive portions. Now, enjoy your spatchcocked Christmas turkey alongside this amazing pan gravy, turning your festive meal into a memorable celebration. This also pairs well with my super crispy potatoes. You can get the link in the description below. And there you have it. You can cook a whole turkey in less than 2 hours and enjoy more of your Christmas day with your friends and family. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, a follow down below, and until next time, foodie out.